quick QuickBooks tip: keyboard shortcuts. If you're in QuickBooks Online and you want to know how to use your keyboard as shortcuts, press on your keyboard Control Alt ? Or Control Option ? if you're on a Mac. A window will pop up and you're going to see your company ID. That's going to be crucial for billing or technical support type questions. And then you're going to see two columns. You're going to see the shortcuts that are available in the main menu and the shortcuts that are available inside of the transaction. I'm going to show you a couple of them to kind of show you what the dynamic looks like. First of all, my favorite shortcut, Escape. When I hit Escape on the keyboard, any window that's popped up, it will close. It doesn't work everywhere, but it works in most places. Let's do a couple of examples. Control Alt I, that will open up an invoice. I'll hit Escape, close that. Control Alt E, that will open up an estimate. Hit Escape, it will close that. Control Alt X, it will open up a new expense transaction. Hit Escape, that will close that. Control Alt A opens up the chart of accounts. Awesome. Control Alt L opens up the list menu, which contains a link to the chart of accounts, products and services, classes, locations, and all sorts of lists inside QuickBooks Online. Let's show you a couple of practical ways you can use multiple types of keyboard shortcuts. So Control Alt E will open up an estimate. I'm going to go ahead and select any customer in here. Random customer, pick a service, pick a random dollar amount, and then I have the choice to either save and new or save and close. If you actually hover over save and new and save and close, you will see very fainted Control Alt S and Control Alt D. So let me show you. Control Alt S will save and new. Let me press it here. Control S will save and new, which basically will save the transaction, open up a new one. And then I'm going to create a brand new one, a separate one, and then I'm going to do Control Alt D to show you what that looks like. So I'll pick another dollar amount here and I do Control Alt D, and that will do save and close. So when I press Control Alt D, it will save the transaction and send me back to where I was in my original home screen. So Control Alt ? gives you the help menu that will show the keyboard shortcuts. Try it, it will make you faster overnight. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I create a new video like this. Thanks.